Welcome to the IT Support Specialist series. In this video, we'll explore what it means to work in first-line user support, handling troubleshooting and technical issues for end users. This is often called help desk support, and it's one of the most rewarding entry points into the IT industry. IT support, or help desk support, is the first line of technical assistance that directly helps users with their everyday technology problems. Think of IT support specialists as the bridge between regular employees and the advanced IT departments. You're the person users call when something breaks, and your job is to solve it quickly and get them back to work. As an IT support specialist, you'll handle four main types of issues. First, password resets, which means helping users regain access to their accounts securely. Second, hardware issues like printers not working, monitors failing, or network problems. Third, software support for application crashes and configuration problems. And fourth, connectivity issues including network, internet, and VPN problems. These four areas cover most of the tickets you'll receive daily. To succeed in IT support, you need three essential skill sets. First is troubleshooting and diagnostics. You must identify root causes and apply systematic problem-solving approaches rather than just guessing. Second is communication and patience. Most users aren't technical, so explaining complex concepts in simple terms is critical. You need to stay calm even when frustrated users get angry. Third is quick learning ability. Technology changes constantly, so you must adapt to new software, systems, and tools rapidly. Every support ticket follows a four-step troubleshooting methodology. Step 1, listen and document. Understand the issue thoroughly and note all symptoms the user describes. Step 2, investigate. Try to reproduce the problem yourself and identify the root cause. Step 3, implement. Apply the solution and test to make sure it actually works. Step 4, verify and support. Confirm the issue is resolved and provide follow-up guidance so users know what to do if it happens again. This methodology prevents you from wasting time and ensures consistent quality. You'll work with 6 main categories of tools. First, ticketing systems like Jira or ServiceNow to track and manage support requests. Second, remote access tools like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or RDP so you can see the user's screen and help them directly. Third, Active Directory for managing user accounts and permissions. Fourth, monitoring tools to track system health and performance issues. Fifth, operating system knowledge of Windows, macOS, and Linux. And sixth, network diagnostic tools like Ping, Tracert, and ipconfig to troubleshoot connectivity problems. 6 types of issues make up most support tickets. Account access issues include locked accounts, forgotten passwords, and permission problems. Connectivity issues involve Wi-Fi drops, VPN failures, and DNS problems. Software errors include application crashes, installation failures, and update issues. Peripheral problems involve printers jamming, scanner drivers missing, and devices not being recognized. Storage and data issues include disk space warnings, file recovery, and backup failures. And performance issues include slow systems, high CPU usage, and memory problems. Knowing these 6 categories helps you prepare for your first day. 3 best practices separate great IT support specialists from average ones. First, stay focused and professional. Users often get frustrated when technology fails, so you must maintain composure and avoid using technical jargon that confuses them. Second, document everything. Record the solutions you find so you and your team can reference them in the future. This builds a knowledge base that saves time for everyone. Third, resolve issues on first contact whenever possible. This minimizes escalations to higher-level support and makes users happy because their problem gets solved faster. IT support is not a dead-end job. There are 4 main career paths you can take. First, become a technical specialist by focusing deeply on specific systems like Active Directory or specialized software. This leads to roles like systems administrator or network technician. Second, move into support management where you lead and mentor teams. This path leads to team lead, support manager, or operations director roles. Third, transition into IT security by specializing in security protocols and compliance. This leads to security analyst, IT auditor, or compliance officer positions. Fourth, move into infrastructure where you design and implement IT systems company-wide. This leads to systems architect, infrastructure engineer, or cloud specialist roles. Your starting point in IT support opens many doors. Remember 3 important points. First, IT support is the foundation of IT careers. Whether you want to become a network engineer, cloud architect, or security specialist, most successful IT professionals started in support roles and learned the fundamentals here. Second, success requires patience, communication, and problem-solving skills alongside technical knowledge. Being good with people is just as important as being good with technology. Third, every ticket is an opportunity to learn, grow, and move up in your IT career. Each problem you solve makes you more experienced and more valuable to employers. If you're ready to launch your IT career, IT support is an excellent starting point. Good luck.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.